Aldo's food truck. Mexican food. Found this food truck in Old Town La Quinta. Went up to the window to order, the menu was right on the side. They were very helpful and friendly. Ordered the El Pastor plate. They definitely did not skimp. It came with lots of corn tortillas, loaded on refried beans, rice, lettuce, El Pastor pork, house-made salsa verde, and salsa rojo. Folded it up and took a big bite. It was more than good, it was fantastic. You got to try Aldo's food truck out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.